Let's take a look at doing an order to invoice process and see how quick and easy that is for you. We're going to go ahead and use our USA bartending customer, and we're going to sell them our laptop. You'll notice the price here is $500, but if we sell them 3 laptops, Acumatica will automatically add in line item discounts. At the bottom of the screen, it actually tells you how many of those items you have on hand, how many are available, and how many are available to ship. This is a quick and easy way as you're talking to the client to let them know that you have those products available. Acumatica allows for us to shop for rates. Because this is a demo environment, it won't bring in the rates, but I certainly can give you an idea of how this opportunity works. When it goes out and shops for rates, it'll pull in the data for Federal Express, UPS, United States Postal Service, and would put that rate for you right here. We're going to go ahead and choose UPS Ground for our shipment today, and we can override that rate. By clicking OK, it's now decided it's going to ship UPS Ground. If we go to the total screen, we can override that fake cross because it didn't put anything in, and now we've added freight to the total of our invoice. So we've added our product, we've added our shipping, now we're ready to send the product to the client. Acumatica allows you to do that simply and easily by creating your shipment. If we create our shipment and click OK, it'll bring us to the shipping screen. From the shipping screen, we can print a pick list if needed. We've determined we don't need that for this order. You could print the labels, or we can confirm the shipment. We'll go ahead and confirm this shipment to send it to the client. And once that shipment has been confirmed, if you click on the Packages tab, it has loaded for you the tracking number that's associated with this order. If this were a live situation rather than a demo situation, we could have printed the label, and the label would have had the tracking number on that information. Now that our shipment has been sent, we can go ahead and prepare the invoice. Once our invoice has been prepared, we can send that invoice directly to the customer. We can either do it through our actions of email invoice, or we can go to the reports and we can look at what that copy of that invoice is. You'll notice on this invoice that I've added our logo here. That was a matter of a simple click. Now that we have this invoice ready to go, we can hit send, and it will email that invoice directly to the customer. This information is all brought over automatically from the customer information screen. Once we hit send, we can go back to the invoice, and you will notice in the activities, we now have an activity where the invoice has been sent. Now that this invoice is completed, we can release it, and it is now done.